So you got yourself the brand new Fold 8, and now you're looking for a way to protect that thing. Well, look no further because I think SUPCASE might just have you covered. They did previously send me this case for the Fold 8 as well, and I was really excited to try it out. And generally, I was really impressed by the design and everything that this thing offers. And because they were so happy with the video I did on the case for the 8 Ultra, today I'm going to be checking out their SUPCASE for the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8. I mean, just look at how beautiful that form factor is. It would be a shame if this thing was to get destroyed. So let's see what SUPCASE has to offer and let's unbox this thing together. Now, although these are both dummy units, I do not own a Fold phone just yet, but I'm really confident about the kind of durability that they can offer, and it's almost making me want to buy a Fold phone myself, especially with the new form factor on the Z Fold 8. It just looks a little bit too nice. But let's see what we can do to protect that niceness. So just like the previous one, we get a couple of paperwork thingies in here and the front HD clear tempered glass. Now for the previous one, they did send out two of the front units. One was the HD clear and the other one was the privacy one. But in this case, we've only just got the HD clear one, but that is also perfectly fine. I do not mind that. And for the case itself, let's have a look. It looks so clean. Just imagine this thing on the back of that phone. It would look so clean, very much like this one. We're gonna get both of these things out. I'm gonna install this thing and we'll see how it actually looks on the Z Fold 8. So I've got the Z Fold 8 here and this should be just as easy as snapping this thing into place. Again, just keep in mind, this is not a real phone, this is a dummy unit, so if you see some scratches or any other oily fingerprints on the front screen, it is not the real deal. I'm gonna get rid of this, and they always come with this little peel on the side, so it adheres to the side of your phone perfectly. So I'm gonna peel that thing off. I'm gonna peel the inside plastic wrap, and then I'm gonna peel the outside plastic wrap. And then this should also be just as simple as slapping this thing on top. And there you go, we're all done, all set. And that thing looks so clean. I'm just gonna pop this here for comparison because SUPCASE clearly has an identity here and they're trying to maintain it. So this thing at the back is actually a kickstand, and if I had nails, I'd be able to pull it out. All right, there you go. So I've got this thing open and this actually is a kickstand. So you can keep this phone upright in whatever angle you might want. It is quite sturdy, it is quite rigid, so you would be perfectly fine. In terms of the coverage, it covers all the corners of the phone absolutely perfectly. All the cutouts are exactly in the places they should be. If I were to next to the Z Fold 8 Ultra, you'll see that they've actually got buttons for the volume rockers, unlike the Ultra case, but I do prefer this a little bit better. Now, I can't necessarily push these things in, but that's mainly because this is a dummy unit of the phone and I won't really get any tactile feedback. But just look at how nice this thing looks. It protects your hinge perfectly, protects all your corners just fine. There's a slight lip on the camera bump and on the screen as well, so even if you drop it face down or back down, at this point it doesn't even matter. Everything is protected and so is the hinge. So this has been a quick look at the case from SUPCASE. And let me know what you think about these things in the comment section down below. If you're thinking of picking one of these up, I'm going to leave a few links for you guys down in the description for both the Z Fold 8 and the Z Fold 8 Ultra. So you guys can go ahead and get one for whichever Ultra you're currently rocking. And of course, if you've liked this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more tech and tech accessories, and I shall catch you guys later.